Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide notch display in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. This is notch display. I opened Google Chrome and it is opened in full screen notch display. If you want to hide it, you can do it. Just go to the settings here and click on display. Now click on full screen apps and here select camera cutout and select here Chrome. And click on hide camera cutout. Now open the Google Chrome app and see here it is notch hidden here. So in this way you can easily do notch display hidden in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. You can set it for one or more apps. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.